clouds. I'm Lori Gaw, and this is my friend Jinhee, and she's joined me today to make Chex Mix and Muddy Buddies, or Puppy Chow. I always called it Puppy Chow growing up.
That's the Texas thing. We say puppy chow.
I had to take off my sweatshirt because it's kind of hot today.
I'm making her hot.
You are making
I'm making
her
it.
hot. Should we make some stuff?
Yes.
Should we eat some things?
Are you just winging this, or you got like a recipe?
I have a... This is the recipe, literally, guys. I was thinking of what we could make today, and the Super Bowl is coming up. Do you like football?
I'm from Texas, so I have.
Hey! First, we need 3 cups each of corn Chex, rice Chex, and wheat Chex. I got all 3 at 2 different grocery stores. They didn't have bagel chips, which is part of the recipe. So instead of bagel chips, Derek got me plantain chips.
Oh, I love plantain chips.
Me too, right? Okay, 1. I have to count out loud or I'll forget how many. Okay, you want to do the pretzels? We need 1
cup.
Okay, do you want to do 1 cup of the plantain chips, not bagel chips?
Are we allowed to snack while we do this?
Yeah. And then we also need a cup of mixed nuts. So I mixed it up with my hands. You want to smell that? This is 6 tablespoons of cannabis butter that I already melted in the microwave.
Crispy.
And then we are gonna add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and then 1.5 teaspoons of seasoned salt. Guys, I actually made my own seasoned salt, which is just a combination of salt and pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and red pepper. We have 3/4 teaspoons of garlic powder, and then 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. So we have all of our seasonings and our cannabis butter, and I just stirred it up, and we're gonna pour it on top.
Ooh. Drizzle porn. I'm really clumsy.
Are you really?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, I think the doggy wants to go outside. Now we just go and mix this up, and you can put this on a baking sheet and bake it for an hour and mix it every 15 minutes. But you can also microwave it in the microwave, which is what we're gonna do because, what did you say? We're collaging it?
We're collaging it.
All right, I've been mixing this. I just wanna get everything pretty evenly coated, and then I'm gonna microwave it uncovered on high for 5 to 6 minutes.
You have to stir every 2 minutes.
Oh.
How much money are you guys gonna Venmo us
To drink this?
Swig this?
How much money would you do it for?
$5.
I'll do it for $5.
Really?
So that means that we need $10 total for both of us to do it.
Swig it.
Derek just sent us $10.
That's actually pretty good.
Oh yeah, I don't mind that.
All right.
This actually smells delicious. There's so many different variations you can do on Chex Mix. You can put different things in it. You can put different spices, kind of whatever you want.
You could put your fancy stuff in this Chex Mix. Bruschetta, sushi, Indian food, Ethiopian food.
I'm sorry, I'll stop eating. So we're gonna start again with 9 cups of Chex cereal. They said that we can use any kind that we want. Now we have our cereal in here, and we are going to melt our chocolate and our peanut butter and our 1/4 cup of cannabis butter. You can smell it again.
That's what heaven smells like.
We're doing 1/2 cup of peanut butter. I have my chocolate chips. I have beautiful cannabis butter.
I'm salivating. All right.
Yeah, peanut butter. Heat it on high for 1 minute. Stir. Microwave 30 seconds longer or until mixture can be stirred smooth.
That's pretty easy to make Muddy Buddies.
Yeah, right? I'm just gonna give this a stir.
Mmm.
Ooh, guys, this looks so delicious. I would just like dip things in here.
Should we take a shot of that?
Guys, so I just added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm mixing it all together until it is nice and smooth.
Ooh, I wish you guys could smell this.
This is fantastic.
Oh my gosh.
I'm just gently stirring until it's all gonna get coated. So I've already measured out my powdered sugar. I believe this is 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. And instead of tossing it in a plastic bag, because we're using less plastic to save the environment, I'm just gonna put it in this bowl because why not? The bowl's already dirty.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
Okay.
Wow. This is way better than this, but because there's chocolate in it.
Yep.
And it's worth it.
It's so good.
It's worth the calories.
Thanks again for watching us. We made Chex Mix and Muddy Buddies. And my friend Jinhee came to hang out. And if you guys want to comment or like the video or subscribe to my channel or share it with your friends, that'd be pretty cool. I also have a Patreon page. Toodles. Toodles.